Hey everyone, the battle of website builders is on. And today we're comparing Webflow and WordPress to help you decide which platform is right for you. Let's dive in. Let's start with Webflow. Webflow offers a visual CMS and design interface with code-level control. It comes with high-performance hosting, and most of its features are built in, reducing dependency on third-party plugins. And yes, it does require a steeper learning curve. It requires some understanding of web design concepts. Let's talk about WordPress. It powers over 30% of the web, and it has thousands of themes and plugins. You can choose your hosting environment, and regular updates and security checks are needed. Alright, so here's the thing. Choose Webflow if you want a unified platform with advanced design capabilities and less maintenance. Choose WordPress if maybe you prefer flexibility with plugins and themes and don't mind the upkeep. You should also consider your technical skills, your project requirements, and whether you prefer an all-in-one solution or a more customizable platform. So if you found this comparison useful, please like and subscribe for more insights. Until next time.